Our mind is actually like a monkey. It keeps going from one place to the other, from the past to the future. Our breath is the one that is connecting our body, our mind and our soul. Now when we bring our attention to the breath, we are bringing our attention here, we are bringing our mind here. And when our attention is in a place, also our energy starts flowing there. So of course, one is that we really start becoming present. All areas of our life will actually benefit from this. If you're doing a work, all of your energy is coming there. So your work quality will be much better. The time needed to complete that will be much lesser. If you are with a person, you're a relationship, when your attention is there, your relationships will get better. In terms of eating food, you will become present there, you will chew more mindfully, you will eat also the appropriate quantity. So mindful breathing, just this simple practice is going to really bring a lot of benefit in every area of our life.